So as a content, we will see what is environmental sustainability in construction. We will see how to measure, record, correct environmental sustainability parameters, and we will check also some environmental sustainability issues. So what is environmental sustainability in construction? So the Environmental Protection Agency in the US explains sustainable construction to be the operation of constructing the structures without the usage of toxic or natural resources, and also without harming the environment. Also, construction procedures utilize environmentally effective and energy efficient materials for the properties, durability, while engaging in the process of construction, operation, design, renovation, construction, and reconstruction as well. Actually, the aforementioned process depicts the fact that while constructing a property, people should keep the below mentioned things in mind. So we have safeguarding of the natural beauty and the environment, select non-toxic raw material, reuse and reduction of resources, and minimal wastage as well. So while measuring, recording, correcting the environmental sustainability parameters, we have the water, noise, air emission, and the soil. And actually there are many environmental sustainability issues like avoid excess environmental pollution, shifting to renewable resources and energies, make long-term decisions, and here I'm talking about generations, not years. And also there should be a protection of health, environmental ecosystems. So for shifting to renewable resources and energies, renewable energy is any energy production that uses one of these resources, and renewable resources don't have a fixed quantity, and more can always be generated. Actually, there are different types of renewable energies like solar power, wind power, hydropower, tidal power, and geothermal. For the solar power, solar energy means converting the heat from the solar sun into energy format we can use, and mostly it is about electricity. So it is rapidly expanding into popularity, and also using photovoltaic panels we can convert the sun's energy into usable electricity and power our homes, business, and more. We have wind power, so wind energy has come a long way from windmills in the Netherlands and other parts of the farming culture around the world for thousands of years. And also turbines produce no particulate emissions that contribute to mercury contamination in our lakes and streams, but wind energy also conserves water resources. Hydropower, so it contributes to 16 of energy generation in the world, and it is considered as the largest renewable energy source for electricity in the world, though it is soon expected to take over the lead. Actually, there are many benefits of hydropower, like flexible energy generation and storage, reducing dependence on fossil fuels, and we have also some benefits to local communities that include flood protection, water supply for domestic and commercial use, as well as opportunities for employment, education, and recreation. We have the tidal power that is practically inexhaustible and considered as a renewable energy source, and tides are caused by the combined gravitational forces of the moon, sun, and the earth. Also, we have the geothermal power that is another clean and sustainable source of power, and it is nothing more than the internal heat that is contained in the rock and fluids beneath to the Earth's crust. Another issue that should be considered is to avoid excess environmental pollution. So There are multiple kinds of pollutions that include land pollution, air pollution, water pollution, and the opposite of these pollutions are land sustainability, air sustainability, and water sustainability as well. Another issue is to make long-term decisions, and we are talking about generations, not year. So leaders of government, countries, and administration needs to make long-term decisions, and they will need to make generation plans. For example, burning coal gives a short-term benefit of cheaper energy, but the extra pollution imposes cost on future generations. Another issue is to protect the health of environmental ecosystems. So, protecting the long-term productivity and the health of resources to meet future economic and social needs, like protecting food supplies, farmland, and finishing stocks.